I bought and tested these smokeless electric indoor grills so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. If you're like me, you love the taste of grilled food but dread the hassle of outdoor grilling. I'm here to share my experiences with 5 top-rated models that promise to deliver that authentic grilled flavor right in your kitchen.
Product number 1, Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill. I was excited to try the Ninja Griddle and Indoor Grill. When I first set it up, I was impressed by its sleek design and robust feel. The 14-inch cooking surface is generous enough for a family meal, and it can easily handle 6 burgers or a full breakfast spread. I decided to test it out by grilling some steaks. The max heat of 500 degrees Fahrenheit is a game changer. I achieved perfect sear marks that made my steaks look restaurant quality right from my kitchen. The smoke control feature is something I really appreciated. The perforated mesh lid does a fantastic job of keeping the smoke down, which is ideal for indoor grilling. I remember the first time I grilled some veggies alongside the steaks. The edge-to-edge cooking ensured that everything cooked evenly with no hot or cold spots. Cleanup was a breeze too. The nonstick plates are removable and dishwasher safe, saving me time and effort. However, it is a bit on the heavier side at 7.8 pounds, which makes it less portable. But if you're looking for quality and versatility, this grill is a solid investment. Why buy it? If you want a dependable, high-performance indoor grill that offers excellent heat control and easy cleanup, the Ninja Griddle is definitely worth your money. Product number 2, the Chefman Electric Smokeless Indoor Grill, which caught my eye due to its affordable price. I was curious about how it would hold up against pricier models. The adjustable temperature knob is a great feature, allowing me to cook everything from burgers to grilled veggies. I filled the water tray, which is a must for reducing smoke, and wow, it really worked. The grill produced minimal smoke, making it a pleasant experience. I was skeptical about the non-stick surface, but everything slid off effortlessly. The grill area is spacious, allowing me to prepare multiple items simultaneously, which is a big plus for busy weeknights. One downside, though, is the grill's overall feel. It's a bit lightweight, which made me wonder about its durability over time. Nevertheless, it's CETL approved, so safety is a priority. If you want a budget-friendly option that still delivers decent performance and ease of use, the Chefman grill is a good choice. Number 3, Ninja Sizzle Pro XL. Moving on to the Ninja Sizzle Pro XL, I was thrilled to test this larger model. The extra large capacity is perfect for gatherings, fitting over 10 burgers or a full breakfast spread for a crowd. The even heating was impressive. I grilled chicken and veggies together and every piece came out perfectly browned. The detachable ventilated lid is a fantastic addition, reducing splatters and allowing for better grease control. I also loved the ease of cleanup with the PFAS-free ceramic nonstick plates. A quick wipe was all it took after cooking. However, at 23.2 pounds, it's a bit heavy, making it less portable. But if you frequently host family or friends, the Ninja Sizzle Pro XL is worth considering for its capacity and performance. Why buy it? If you want a versatile and powerful indoor grill that can handle larger meals with ease, this grill is an excellent investment. Product number 4, Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill. The Hamilton Beach Electric Indoor Searing Grill was another interesting product to test. The viewing window is a unique feature. I loved being able to monitor my food without lifting the lid. The adjustable temperature control goes up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, which is perfect for searing meats. I grilled pork chops and the high searing heat really locked in the juices, resulting in flavorful, tender meat. Cleanup was straightforward thanks to the removable non-stick grill plate, which is dishwasher safe. However, I noticed that the drip tray could be larger as it filled up quickly when grilling fatty meats. Still, this grill is compact and easy to store, making it a great option for those with limited kitchen space. Why buy it? If you want a compact indoor grill that offers a great sear and easy monitoring, the Hamilton Beach Grill is a solid choice. Product number 5, Elite Gourmet EMG 980B Smokeless Electric Tabletop Grill. I tried the Elite Gourmet EMG 980B Smokeless Electric Tabletop Grill, and for its price, I was pleasantly surprised.
The 14-inch grilling surface is perfect for family meals, and I appreciated the adjustable temperature control. I grilled everything from steaks to veggies, and the nonstick surface did not disappoint. The tempered glass lid is a nice touch, allowing me to keep an eye on my food. Cleanup was a breeze, with all parts being dishwasher safe. However, I did find that the grill took a bit longer to heat up compared to others. Still, considering its affordability and performance, it's a great option for those new to electric grilling. Why buy it? If you're looking for a budget-friendly grill that still delivers on performance and ease of cleaning, the Elite Gourmet Grill is worth considering. In conclusion, whether you're looking for high-end performance or budget-friendly options, there's a smokeless electric indoor grill for everyone. After testing these 5 models, I can confidently recommend any of them based on your needs. Happy grilling!